For this case, we calculate the deferred annuity, right? The payment is come from when age 65, we got a lump sum payment. So we have a 20-year accumulation period, 20-year accumulation period to get a one big amount. This is a big amount, actually about 700,000 plus, from 300,000 initial investment to this deferred income annuity scheme. So after 20 years, so the future value becomes 795,989. So thereafter, right, after 20 years later, this annuity scheme will start operate. We want to know how much every year we can get. Right? First, because two steps. The first one is end 20 year, right? 5%, present value 300,000. 300,000. PMT 0, nothing. You got one big amount, 300,000 outflow. Present value here now, X65, you got 300,000 outflow. In end of the 20 years, that means when you reach X85, you will get a 795,989, right? In subsequent on that, so based on the future value, become a present value, right? In the calculation for the next step to determine how much the annuity. So we assume that also 20 year and 20, 5%. Now the present value is the outflow. So 795,989 is the outflow, right? Future value is 0. So PMT, how much every year we get? 60,830. So let's start to calculate. First thing we need to go for, identify the beginning mode or end mode, right? For this case, normally we based on beginning mode, we assume that we receive or make the payment in the early of the year. So in this case, annuity received in the early of the year. So we shift beginning, shift enter, then change to beginning mode. Second thing is shift the payment per year, right? Now it's 12 payment per year. So we want to make it per annum. So what we do is 1 enter, make it become annual. Payment per year, PY, payment per year is what now? This is per year. So clear it, and then we'll start to calculate. The first thing, first N 20 N high 5% interest rate, right? The PV, how much we bank in, we contribute to this fund is 300,000 minus cash outflow, PV, right? No PMT, just one big amount lump sum, therefore no PMT. Then how much the future value? Compute future value 795,989. 795,989 with this number, the future value, this part, 795,989. So in second step is we convert this future value become present value, right? So this one, left hand side is the present, right hand side is the future. For this case, second part is left hand side is the present, right hand side is the future, right? So then we convert the position become this part become the present value, right? So how long? N 20 year 5i, present value equal to this future value, convert to here. Then we calculate the rest. Let's see. So future value, right? We price it become present value, right? Since this one got the minus, right? Cash outflow, we put a minus, present value, right? Present value, and how much? 20 and 5i, right? Present value just now key in ready. Future value equal to 0. After payment, all this installment, the amount becomes 0. Future value. What we want to know is the PMT. How much installment we get? Compute the PMT. We get 60,830 every year. Start from X85 until X105. Okay.